Hello and welcome to beautiful Nova Scotia. Welcome to my greenhouse and welcome to my channel, The Optimistic Gardener. My name is Steve Farley if you've not visited me before. So I'm doing a bit of a winter sowing update. If for you guys that don't know what winter sowing is, you might have just tuned into this video and randomly. Basically, what I'm doing, or what I did, was sometime in sort of January, February time, I planted these little mini greenhouses, I'll call them. Basically these bottles, cut off bottles, half filled with earth, and I planted some seeds in there. Things like perennials or lettuce, etc. that don't mind a bit of cold, or you could, any sort of seeds, especially perennial seeds that actually like a period of stratification or sort of freezing. And what I did was I planted them in there, left the top off the bottle so that it get a bit of rain etc in there, and stuck them outside in the greenhouse. And it's a good way of sort of getting ahead of the game on some seeds. If you haven't got much room, it's another good way of germinating seeds. You know, just stick them in this little bottle or whatever sort of container that you have with a cover over it, stick them outside, and hopefully jobs are good. So I thought I'd do a bit of an update. We're in 1st of May now. It's a bit chilly outside but nice and warm in the greenhouse with the sun sort of coming in now. Bit of an update, and to tell you the truth, this year I only did 3 in the end. My video on actual winter sowing is up there, and you know, different years I've had various successes and not successes. Actually, I've had more success, I think, with the perennials than I have with my vegetables, and this year again the same thing has occurred, I think. So my best one, I planted basically phlox, some lettuce, and some rocket, or arugula as we say here in North America, and my best performers were the phlox. Some nice strong looking little plants here. As you can see, I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 plants there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift these plants and plant them up in individual little pots and grow them on inside now until they're strong enough for me to plant out, maybe early in the summer, or even, you know, in the summer sometime anyway, once they're strong enough. So I'm really pleased with that phlox. I do love phlox, beautiful smell, lovely flowers, and to get these ones without really doing much, like I said, put a few seeds in here, bunged them outside, jobs are good. So there's my success. My not success is the lettuce. Lettuce is normally really easy to grow, but I thought I'd have a little go, and look, there we are. I've got one little lettuce in the corner there. So not my best success. I'll probably lift that one out now and plant it up in my greenhouse somewhere so I can get an early crop. And I might leave the rest of these here just to see if anything else comes up, but definitely not a success, the old lettuce. So this one isn't bad, quite a good success here. The rocket, got quite a few little ones there. Now there's quite a few weeds in between, but you can see the actual rocket are the sort of bronzed foliage type ones. Hopefully you can see there. So they're not going to grow on much more now with this little sort of seed mix, because there's not a lot of nutrients in there. So I need to sort of prick these out and put them into a bigger seed tray now, which is what I'm going to do in a minute. You've seen me prick out seedlings before and plant them up, so I'm not going to do that now. You know, essentially I'll just do a quick little demo. Essentially all I do is just take my little dibber, hold the plant by the leaves and just sort of push it down, then lever the plant up. And there's one little tiny seedling ready to be planted up. Won't worry about that one. So, you know, I've got a good 30-40 plants there, so I could say that's a success. Well, it will be a success when they grow on a bit, which I no doubt they will. They're quite easy to grow. So I'll say, on balance of my, you know, 2 out of 3, I'll say a success, I think. Obviously, these have got to grow on, but I don't really feel there should be that much of a problem from there. So with very little work, I've got myself loads of seedlings here without having to use grow lights, without having to keep them inside, etc. So really, again, a good success with my winter sowing. Job's a good one. If you like this video or any of my other videos, don't forget to click the like button, please. It always helps me in the rankings, gets me up there, so more people will get a chance to see my videos. And obviously, I'll ask you to subscribe and even click that ding dong bell button so that you'll get notifications every time I release a video, which is normally once or twice a week in the summertime. Looking forward to making lots of more new videos over the summer. As you can see there, got all my seedlings starting to come up, lots of tomatoes there, and in the bed, lots of different things going on. And outside soon, now it's going to warm up, I should have lots more things going on and lots of videos to make to film those goings on. Anyway, enough from me. See you later.